Oh my gosh, all black after party. Black Friday, the album's releasing on Black Friday, so that's the 28th. It's gonna be crazy. Downtown Norfolk, 328 Tequila Lounge is going down. All black party, 7 to 9. It's gonna be amazing. But then the after parties from 10 until, you can pre-order your album now. But the thing about this project though is you get the VIP package. We're talking about you get the album, you get appetizers, you get a drink. It comes with all this. You get to relax with us, come out in your finest, get your grown and saved on, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. And then also at the same time too, man, and even though some real stuff, people say, hey, NR, when you say a free drink, what is a free drink? Whatever a drink is to you. So you just turn water to wine. So if you want it to be the water, you want it to be wine. I mean, I'm not gonna check your cup, but we pray that you be respectful. Anyway, Black Friday is going down. We're looking forward to seeing you in the building. It's going to be crazy. We're going to get to celebrate with us, what God is actually doing. And it's going to be a fun night. We're looking forward to seeing you in the building. Make sure you get your VIP tickets now. We are filling up pretty quick here. Buildings have capacities, people. So we look forward to seeing you. Facebook is NR Hunt or NR and Deja Hunt. I'm the only NR on the planet. Inboxes for more details, and we're looking forward to see you on that list. Peace.